Hi everyone.
Hello.
Today we'll be showing you how to replace a toilet handle.
Okay, let's go.
You remove the lid, then you will shut off the water. Flush the water down. Remove the flapper from the handle. And begin removing the handle. Now, we will install the new handle. You want to make sure it's tight enough so it stays in place. Now, we will put the flapper back on the handle. We will turn the water back on. Wait for the tank to fill up. And now we test our handle. Lastly, we'll put the lid back on the tank. And there you have it.
And that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.